Thanksgiving Culinary Tour Number 1, Poultry. Holiday feasting is about to begin and our dear would like to offer non-traditional ideas for you and your family, to make your holidays creative and interesting. If you are foregoing the traditional turkey this year, you may want to try something gourmet. Since Thanksgiving is really all about eating, you might consider preparing a few small appetizers and a salad to eat throughout the day, an entree with vegetables, for mid-afternoon, and a dessert for 5 p.m. with a cup of coffee or cappuccino, and perhaps a nice fruit and cheese tray with a glass of wine for the evening. Each of the following courses is relatively easy to prepare and some of them can be made in advance. If your family is like most, everyone eats or nibbles all day long on Thanksgiving. If your guests are planning on arriving early, it will be wise to have something to offer them before the big meal. Thanksgiving Culinary Tour, Poultry. A nice holiday recipe that will put a little food in their stomachs that is not too heavy is pumpkin cappuccino with cardamom. It is great served with warm bread and a great way to start your dining tour. This is healthy and will also be great for any vegetarians. This takes about 30 minutes to prepare, and except for the froth, can be made the evening before serving. If you prefer, you can serve the keep mushroom and chestnut salad, flambed directly before the meal. However, this is so delicious that you should really serve it an hour or two prior to the big meal. If you have already sliced everything, the preparation time for this recipe is about 15 minutes, giving you time to cook other things and socialize. A robust, velvety pomerol impeccably complements this dish. Allowing time between courses will highlight each dish and keep your guests occupied and anxiously awaiting the blanc de Volaille fermier, puree de Viagarkin served with ravioli with keep mushrooms. The blanc de Volaille fermier can be prepared in about 1 hour and is excellent with côtes à Provence rouge. The ravioli with keep mushrooms is an excellent side dish that can be prepared while the chicken is baking. If you prefer, you can make and serve this first, or after the blanc de Volaille fermier. The preparation time is about 35 minutes and this dish is excellent with Bune Blanc or the full-bodied Alsace Tokay. If you serve this separately, it will allow your guests to enjoy a variety of accompanying wines. 2 or 3 hours after the main course is a nice time for an espresso with dessert. No Thanksgiving will be complete without dessert. Most everyone serves the traditional pumpkin pie. But since you have started this tour with the pumpkin cappuccino, you might want to try something different like a tarte bagnard. This wonderful apple tart with a light almond flavor is excellent with Johannesburg St. Martin 88 dessert wine. Keep in mind that the majority of these recipes are designed to serve for 4 people, so plan accordingly. Be sure to set a beautiful table and try the Poultry Classic napkin fold to add a beautiful finishing touch. With a little pre-planning, purchasing, and preparation, you can give your family and guests a delicious meal that will be remembered until next year. And you will be able to enjoy the day.